Hi everybody, I'm Carrie Baughcum.
I'm Trisha Baughcum. And I'm Annabeth.
Welcome back, Idea Flooders. We are so mega ridiculous, excited, happy to have you guys here.
And to have her back.
And to have Trisha back with us. We missed her. Even if she is a unicorn cat.
Meow!
So, welcome back. We're so super excited to have our very first mega idea flood sketchnote challenge wrap up in the house.
After 4 weeks of sending out idea floods in a row,
we are here to celebrate you and all the idea floods. All right, you guys, are you ready for this? Let's get started.
woohoo!
All right, idea flooders, this month we asked you to turn on your thinkers.
And your doodle maker. And your unicorn cats.
That's right.
Yeah.
And flood your papers with images and words, not just once, but 4 times.
4 times, people. That's a lot. That's mind-blowing.
Absolutely. And actually not just 4 times, over 190 times it happened. Can you imagine the amount of idea floods that hit this universe?
Woo!
And on top of all of that, so we celebrated Annabeth's birthday this month, and it was awesome. And then she decided that it wasn't just enough for her to get presents. She wanted to give presents to you guys. So we put out a challenge, the Mega April Mega.
I got this.
You got this.
April Idea Flood Mega Challenge. Mega Sketchnote Challenge.
For those of you who created an idea flood and sent it in to us, each of your names are put into our buckets.
Can I shake it?
And 5 of you will be chosen for a very special edition idea flood sticker. And for those of you guys who
have completed all 4 of our Idea Flood Challenge are in this bowl and going to be raffled on for an Idea Flood Mega Sketchnote Challenge special prize package. I know I've memorized the other one by heart, but that's just a lot. Mouthful. Let's get started. Let's get started.
All right, Trisha's gonna pull.
Don't lose it. Let's get started.
Let's get started. All right, Trisha's gonna pull our very first single idea flood completer, and they will win a special edition idea flood sticker. see who got it.
N.E. Gross.
So ND from Mrs. Gross's class
Yeah.
has won a special edition Idea Flood sticker.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, yes! Alright, who's next? Sure, Annabeth's gonna pull the next one. No looking.
Oh, sorry. Okay, there we go. MG and Mrs. Ledford's class.
Woohoo! Idea Flood sticker for MG! Congratulations!
Party cannon!
Alright, Trisha's next.
Woo!
Who we got? Woo!
KS and Miss Gross's class.
Ooh,
Congratulations!
Mrs. Gross's class is having a party!
Congrats!
Alright, that's 3. Well, 2 more.
I have my eyes closed, Mom.
We don't want. Okay. Who do we got?
We have DD and Mrs. Gibbs' class.
Congratulations, DD! Alright, we've got 1 more. Alright, Trisha, close your eyes. No peeking. Unicorn. Cat.
Unicorn cat.
Who we got? Ooh.
Okay, we've got MG and Miss Harrow's class.
Alright, they're overseas. That's going to be a special trip for that Idea Flood sticker. It's going around, halfway around the world.
Congratulations, MG.
Alright, you guys, I don't think that's enough. I think we need to do a bonus draw.
Bonus
We got 190 Idea Floods.
Mommy, this time you pick it.
I
Yeah,
think we
you
need one more
need
sticker,
to
right?
pick this.
All right.
Go.
Alright,
Try
here we
to
go.
pick from the bottom.
Pick from the bottom.
Yeah, pick from the
From the
bottom.
bottom. Alright, I'm going for the bottom.
Okay. See? Ooh,
Thank
ooh, ooh,
goodness
we
my
got
hands
one.
don't smell, Trisha. Alright, what do we got? Oh, we got Lisa from Miss Geb's class. Congratulations, Lisa.
Congrats.
It's been an amazing month and amazing experience.
Congratulations to all
Congratulations
you
to
beautiful
everybody.
winners.
Congratulations,
All you
everybody.
beautiful winners. Also, people, to you guys who didn't win, you guys are still amazing, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating, even if you did not win. Yay!
We just we the Twitter stream has been flooded with idea floods and all of your creations, and it will ever forever be changed because of all the awesome we put out there.
You guys are all full unicorn
All right, you guys, time for the final drawing. This is for the Idea Flood package, and for the Idea Flooders that completed all 4 April Idea Flood challenges. Let's do this, and I'm gonna close those eyes.
Cover them.
All right, who do we got?
We have JJ from Mrs. Gross's class.
Woo! Congratulations, JJ! All right. All right, you guys. So I will reach out to all the adults that are in charge of all the students, or the adults that have won stickers, and the adults that are in charge of the students that have won stickers. And I'll reach out to Miss Gross, JJ, and I will get the address for where to send all these packages, and hopefully we'll have them out during the weekend. If not, next week at the very latest, we'll have them out to you. And congratulations to everybody. Thank you for being along on this crazy ride with us.
All the winners and non-winners.
So until next time, you guys, and I need to add a little bit of piece to this because we got some seriously awesome idea flooders out there. Whether you're a teacher and you're bringing out the best in your students, whether you're learning or creating, or you're just being you, there are no rules! Later, guys!
Bye!
Bye! Okay. I get this all ready for later.
Yeah.
Going on for April Idea Floods. And your idea.
Headphone users, be warned. Remember?
Ridiculousness.
Ugh.
Okay,
guys. This came in the mail. We made special edition. Well, yeah, special edition Idea Flood Master Doodle Maker t-shirt. Here it is.
You know what, you guys? We'll put the link in the description below, in the show notes below, so you guys can check it out if you are interested. As far as we're concerned, everybody who is an Idea Flooder is a master doodle maker.
Totally.
She did good, didn't she?